Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Developing a Blockchain Based e-Vault System for Legal Records. Introduction. Our project endeavors to transform the handling and presentation of legal records by creating a blockchain based e-Vault system. Through harnessing blockchain technology, our goal is to streamline the process of accessing, storing, and presenting legal records in court, ultimately saving time and improving efficiency for legal professionals and court officials alike. Conventional methods of presenting legal records in court suffer from numerous inefficiencies. Physical files are vulnerable to loss, damage, and misplacement, resulting in delays and potential loss of critical information. Furthermore, retrieving records from various sources is often laborious and error prone, while manual handling increases the risk of tampering or unauthorized access. So, to address these challenges, we are integrating a robust blockchain based e vault system. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Instead of having all the data in one place, blockchain stores records as blocks of data, each with a unique code called a hash. These blocks are distributed across multiple computers or nodes, making it much harder for anyone to tamper with the data or compromise the entire system. So, blockchain offers several advantages. First, it is decentralized, meaning the data isn't stored in one vulnerable location. Second, it enhances security because the data is stored in encrypted format that is very difficult to alter or hack. Third, it promotes transparency as all transactions are recorded and visible to authorized users. Fourth, it ensures data immutability, meaning once something is recorded in the blockchain, it can't be easily changed. Finally, it is resilient to failures because even if some nodes go down, others continue to maintain the data. And the project leverages Ethereum's blockchain for its robust infrastructure and smart contract capabilities. Ethereum is a leading blockchain platform that supports the development and deployment of decentralized applications through smart contracts. These contracts execute transactions and interactions, facilitating streamlined processes within our e-vault system. Objective of the project. So, as I mentioned earlier, the primary objective of the project is to design and develop a sophisticated e-vault system that utilizes blockchain technology. This system will serve as a centralized platform for storing, managing, and accessing legal records in a digital format. By leveraging blockchain, we aim to create a secure and tamper proof environment for legal record management, ensuring the integrity and authenticity of the stored data. Another key objective is to streamline the entire process associated with legal record management. Traditional methods often involve burdensome paperwork, manual filing systems, and lengthy retrieval processes. Our e-vault system will automate these tasks, allowing legal professionals and court officials to easily upload, store, and retrieve legal records with minimal effort. This streamlined approach will save time, reduce administrative overhead, and improve overall efficiency in legal proceedings. And a critical objective of the project is to enhance the integrity, accessibility, and security of legal records. By leveraging cryptographic techniques and the immutable nature of blockchain technology, we will ensure that all records stored in the e-vault system are tamper proof and resistant to unauthorized access. This will instill trust and confidence in the integrity of the legal records, ultimately improving the credibility of the judicial system. And the aim is to leverage the infrastructure and capabilities offered by the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum provides a robust platform for developing and deploying decentralized applications through smart contracts. By utilizing Ethereum's infrastructure, we can streamline various processes within the e-vault system, such as record verification, access control, and auditing. This will enable us to create a scalable and reliable solution for legal record management that can meet the demands of a modern judicial system. Requirements needed to execute this project are software requirements, Python ideally of 3.7.0 version, Node.js, Visual Studio Community version, Ganache, and MetaMask Chrome extension. Backend languages used are Python, JavaScript, and Solidity. Framework used is Flask, Front-end languages used are HTML, CSS, JS, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements needed are processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 20 GB and above. So to execute this project, we have designed few modules. First, we'll see the user modules. The first one is user registration. So this module allows users to create accounts by providing necessary details such as username, password, email, etc. Upon successful registration, users gain access to the system's functionalities, including adding cases and viewing case results. The next module is user login. Upon registration, users can log into their account securely using their credentials. This module verifies user identity and grants access to the system's features, ensuring only authorized users can interact with the platform. The next module is Add Case. In this module, users can submit details of a legal case, including case number, case details, and relevant documents for upload. This information is stored securely in the system's database and can be accessed for reference throughout the legal proceedings. The next module is Result. This module displays the details of submitted documents associated with a specific case, along with the user's information such as user number and name. Additionally, it provides a download link for accessing the documents. Furthermore, any judgments rendered by the judge for the case are displayed here, allowing users to view the outcome of their case. Now we'll see the judge modules. The first one is judge registration. So, this module enables judges to register for accounts within the system. Judges provide necessary information such as username, password, and other relevant details to create their accounts. The next module is Judge Login. Upon registration, judges can securely log into their accounts using their credentials. This module ensures that only authorized judges can access the system, maintaining the integrity and security of the judicial process. The next module is Check Information and Give Judgment. In this module, judges review information related to a specific case, including the user's name, case number, case details, and uploaded documents. Based on the case merits and legal considerations, judges can provide their judgments using an action link. Once submitted, these judgments are displayed to the user, providing transparency and accountability in the legal process. Blockchain integration. So, blockchain technology ensures secure user authentication and authorization processes by leveraging cryptographic techniques. Each user's identity and access rights are securely stored on the blockchain, ensuring that only authorized individuals can interact with the system. This enhances the security of the platform and protects sensitive user information from unauthorized access or tampering. And legal documents uploaded by users are stored immutably on the blockchain. Blockchain's decentralized and distributed nature ensures that once documents are uploaded and recorded as transactions on the blockchain, they cannot be altered or deleted. Additionally, cryptographic hashing techniques are used to generate unique hashes for each document, which further ensures their integrity and authenticity. Any attempt to modify the document will result in a change in its hash, alerting users to potential tampering. And smart contracts with predefined rules and conditions are utilized to streamline various aspects of case handling. These smart contracts are deployed on the blockchain and can enforce rules related to case submissions, document uploads, and judgment entries. For example, a smart contract can specify the criteria for accepting a case submission or define the process for rendering a judgment based on predetermined criteria. By streamlining these processes, smart contracts ensure consistency, fairness, and transparency in the legal proceedings. And blockchain provides a transparent and immutable record of all transactions and activities within the system, creating an audit trail that can be easily verified by all parties involved. Each transaction, including case submissions, document uploads, and judgment entries, is recorded as a block on the blockchain. These blocks are cryptographically linked using hash functions, creating a chain of blocks where each block contains the hash of the previous block. This ensures the integrity of the entire block, as any attempt to alter the data in one block will result in a change in its hash, which in turn will invalidate all subsequent blocks. This transparent audit trail enables stakeholders, including users, judges, and regulatory authorities, to verify the authenticity and integrity of the data recorded on the blockchain, promoting accountability and trust in the legal process. And we have used Ganache in this project. So, Ganache is a user friendly interface for monitoring Ethereum blockchain activities. It simplifies tracking of accounts, transactions, and smart contracts, making it accessible even for users without in depth blockchain expertise. Ganache offers detailed transaction information, including sender, receiver, amounts, gas usage, and success status, aiding debugging and ensuring transaction accuracy. It also tracks smart contract deployments, confirming correct deployment and functionality. This transparency simplifies monitoring and verification processes. And Ganache lets us dive into the details of each block on the Ethereum blockchain. We can find out when a particular block was added, what transactions took place within it, and how much computing power, that is, gas, was used. Ganache also enables data retrieval from stored blocks, allowing developers to access and analyze specific block information. And we have also used MetaMask in this project. So, MetaMask is both an Ethereum wallet and a browser extension. It simplifies cryptocurrency management and provides direct access to dApps, making interactions with blockchain applications easier. And in this project, MetaMask ensures secure Ethereum transactions, promoting transparency by showing the detection of ETH as fees. This transparency maintains accuracy and ensures confident, reliable financial interactions within the system. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is contracts folder in which I have Solidity files. They handle data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is static folder. It consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, etc., which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes coded in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML pages. And this is run.bat file to start eVault system. Before that, first we need to host the server. For that, open the Ganache. We can see server has been hosted. Now we'll get back to the code folder. Now double click on run.bat file to start the eVault system. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created these Windows bat files to execute this project. So the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost and port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. So here we can see judge and user links. First we'll register as user. Click on user link. Click on register link. So here we have to fill in all these details and click on add user button to register. So username would be Ramesh. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID and the address. Now click on add user button. So we can see user sign up task is completed. All these details, user details will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see that in Ganache. So we can see a block has been created in which all these user details will be stored. So we can retrieve the data from here. Now we'll register as judge. Click on judge link, click on register link, fill in these details and click on add judge button to register as judge. Username would be judge, give the password, give the contact number, give the email ID, address and experience. Now click on add judge button. So we can see judge signup task completed. All these details will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can say that in Ganesh. So we can see a block has been created in which these judge details will be stored. Now we'll log in as user. Click on user link, click on login link. Give the credentials here, username and password. Username is Ramesh. Give the correct password. And now click on user login link. So we have logged in as user Ramesh. And here we can see add case, result and logout links. Click on add case link. So here users can add the case details to the system. So users could be police or any other agencies. Now we'll fill in these details. Case number would be 300. Case details would be Suresh murdered Ram. He has shot him using a gun and found fingerprints of Suresh on the gun. And we have to upload any documents here related to the case. Click on choose file button. So I'm selecting this file and click on open. The document is loaded. Now click on add case button to add the case to the system. So we can see case details have been added to the system successfully. And we can see that in Ganesh, a block has been created in which all these case details will be stored in a form of block. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as judge. Click on login link. Give the credentials, username and password of judge. And click on judge login button. So we have logged in as judge and here we can see check information and logout links. Click on check information link. So here judge can see list of cases filed. So we can see all the details about the case, username, case number, case details. And here we can see a download link. By clicking on it, we can download the uploaded case related files. So I'm clicking on the download link. So we can see the document has been downloaded. And we have a action column here in which I have a click here to give judgment link. By clicking on it, judge can give his judgment after verifying all the case details, which is then visible in user's portal. So I'm clicking on click here to give judgment link. So here judge can add his judgment. So I'm giving it as 432 CRPC sentence to life imprisonment. Now click on add judgment button. So we can see judgment added successfully to blockchain. So these judgment details will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see that in Ganesh. So we can see a block has been created in which these judgment details will be stored. Now click on judge screen link. Click on check information link. So we can see action column has been updated, that is already judgment given. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as user again. Click on user, click on login link. Give the credentials here and click on user login button. So we have logged in as user Ramesh. Now click on result link. So here users can view the judgment given by the judge and implement the given judgment. So we can see user number, username, a download link to download the uploaded case file, and we can see the judgment here. Now click on logout link. So in Ganesh, we can see blocks created in which all these details, the transaction details will be stored. So now click on any block. So here we can see the block hash and transaction hash. Click on transaction hash. So here we can see sender address, contract address, gas used, gas price, gas limit, and the transaction data. So in MetaMask, we can see the ETH detections. So in my MetaMask wallet, we can see I have a balance of 99.9868 ETH in my MetaMask wallet, which represents the deducted amount after recent transactions. So in the context of a blockchain, transactions refer to the actions or operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. So the project's actions don't involve significant ETH transfers. This is normal as not all operations lead to substantial balance changes. So the conclusion here is the blockchain driven system revolutionizes legal record management, enhancing efficiency and security significantly. It establishes new benchmarks by simplifying outdated processes and ensuring reliability for the future. Through blockchain, we strengthen legal record management, offering robust security and transparency. Decentralization guarantees data integrity, fostering trust in legal proceedings and optimizing operational efficiency. And by eliminating manual paperwork and integrating smart contracts, we address traditional inefficiencies in legal record management. Our system streamlines tasks, reducing time and cost while maintaining fairness and consistency in case handling. Leveraging Ethereum's infrastructure, we have developed a scalable solution adaptable to evolving legal requirements. Smart contracts ensure reliability, enabling seamless integration and future scalability in legal record management. And utilizing Ganesh for monitoring and MetaMask for secure transactions, we prioritize transparency and innovation. Detailed transaction insights and secure financial interactions build trust, enhancing credibility and user confidence in our eVault system.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.